Hello guys, I'm Shorati Biswas here. So today I am going to show you a Aura with a broken ring. So as you know, the quality of Crompton have been ruined after the new fan division manager just joined Crompton, and he just now started destroying everything. So as you can see, the quality of the ring is also deteriorated. It has been cracked. The previous Aura was more durable, and now as you can see, here is another big crack, and as you can see here is also another crack. So let's replace the ring. If you have a blade with broken decos also, then this video is perfect for you, because I am going to show you how to replace the decos, the canopy deco, this blade deco of this Aura. So let's do it. So the things I bought from service center of Crompton are, as you can see, this is the motor deco. So always check the deco before purchasing. So as you can see, this is a original deco of this Aura model. So this cost me around 100 rupees from the service center. And as you can see, this is the canopy deco. This cost around 40 rupees. At first I thought the canopy deco of this Aura was okay, so it's useless to buy this deco, but after that I thought, okay, let's buy it and give it a try. So first I will show you how to remove the canopy deco. So it is very easy to remove the canopy deco. Just grab the canopy like this, just pull the deco up like this, and this canopy deco is out. So as you can see, and regarding the fixing of a new deco, just shove a new deco like this, just place it in the groove part and just press it like this, and watch it carefully. It will get inserted in this slot. As you can, this is flattened slot. So this is the way of removing and replacing a canopy deco. Now I will show you the motor deco. Now by this way you can again put the new ring like this and just place the motor. So easiest way to do it is like just this Aura motor is little bit hefty to do it, but as you can see, this washer is little bit stuck with the bearing, so no issues regarding it. So just grab the fan with your hand like this, and in another hand just take the motor, just match these bearings, the washer carefully, and adjust it so that the shaft is sitting on the bearing across the washer. So, and match the holes here. As you can see, the hole, and this is the slot, and just press the motor and you will get a tight fit, as you can see. So now the ring is fully tight, and let me just show you, and it is looking like a brand new Aura. So now if you want to just inspect the motor, the above part of the motor, to see what's the condition of the motor, then I will show you the remaining part also. So this is the first part of the video, and it's very easy to replace the rings of the Crompton fans. So let me show you how to remove the motor completely and show you the winding and accessories. So before that, you have to remove all the wires. So before that, take a picture of this connection. As you know, everybody have a smartphone, so just clean the wires and just do the wires like this. Let me show you, and take a picture of this thing so that you don't forget after the installation of the motor which wire is going where. And the capacitors don't have any polarity, so just shove any of the white wires in anywhere between these two, and the red wire, generally the red wire is the main winding, the blue wire is the auxiliary winding, and white wire is the common or the neutral. So let's just disassemble the fan. One thing to say you, if you don't want your ring again for this Aura, you just need a small and easy steps. Just put the spring here, remove the ring parts, and assure that this washer is not falling from the bearing, and after that just put it like this and just match the screw holes. Where is the screw holes? Let me just find the screw holes. So here is the screw holes, and just place the motor like this completely. Wait, let me show you. So as you can see, now this fan has been converted into a Olga. So Crompton Olga had this kind of motor with decorums in the blade, and you can also convert this fan into Jura just by removing the ring and just by removing the blade decos. As you can see, by removing these screws and removing the decos, you can make this an anti-dust Jura. or an Olga. Just now you are watching no ring on the motor and there is deco on the blade. This is the Olga, Crompton Grips Olga. Just search it on the Google and you will get what's Olga. So let's show you what's the winding and accessories. And oh yes, one thing, when you fix the motor like this, the gaps, means the screws are very long. As you can see, this rusted part, white part, this is the limit point of the screw. So if you tighten the screw now, so as you are watching here, if you just tighten the screws now, the screws will get fully tightened, but there will be a brutal gap in the motor. So it happened to one of my previous Aura. So as you can see, this gap, as you can see, this screw is fully tightened because the bottom cover thread have been fulfilled by the screws full threaded part. So this is the extra part. As you can see, this will happen. So if you, this will not ruin your fan, or this will do nothing with your fan. So no issues regarding this because this is loaded by spring. But if you don't want this thing and want a airtight gap, then what should you do? You just take the screws, before applying the screws, just buy spring washers from the market. As you know what's a spring washer. So buy spring washers from the market, or there is a one cheating technique, that is, let me show you the cheating. This is a shackle assembly, as you are watching. So here is one spring washer. Here, this is a let me show you. This is a plain washer, and this is a small one, is a spring washer. So take this spring washer, and here is also some washers. So here is one spring washer and two spring washers. So take all these three spring washers and just shove it on your motor. So it will be completely a tight fitment like this and airtight gapping. So the shackle assembly will not suffer without washer, means you will not get any wobbles from the shackle assembly, because if you hung the fan in the ceiling hook, the shackle will already get hardened due to the pressure of the fan. So no issues regarding that. So this is the cheating technique, nothing else. So as you can see, this is the winding. So this is a 12 pole winding, and this is Crompton original winding. This is not a fender winding. In Crompton cheaper fans like the Crompton's Neo Breeze, Aria Breeze, and those Smart Breeze, Sea Wind, Sea Breeze, in those fans, since they are cheap fans, Crompton don't provide their own winding. They give winding from vendors. And regarding this, these are premium fans, these high speed Aura Avancer. So Crompton provides original windings, means original factory windings and not vendors. So as you can see, so this is a 2018 February manufactured stator. So very good, and as you can see, it's very neat and clean. And this is the stopper. So if you lost this, you have to replace the shaft. So don't lose this stopper, or you may just have to, means whatever might be, you have means in the service center also you have to search this particular thing. So take photographs of this thing before breaking it or losing it. So this, as you can see, this is the winding. So now let me show you the motor body. So this is the lower body. This is a HCH 6201 bearing, as you can see, and this is HCH 6202 bearing, as you can see. So HCH is quite a good company. They provide very good bearings. SKF is always the best bearing, followed by NBC and then SCH. So whatever might be. So now I think you understand what's inside a Crompton Aura. So let's install the fan. And one thing to say you is that the placement of the ring on the upper cover is like this. So let me show you where the ring gets placed. So as you can see, there is a small brim here, or this part. So this part adjusts with this, the edge of this upper cover. So if you are considering with the lower cover, so just this gets fitted like this. It sits on it very firmly. So it looks really nice. So if you are facing with a broken Aura ring, just go to the service center, check a ring and do it yourself. Why should you pay to the mechanics 200 to 300 rupees just for changing only 100 rupees ring? Do it yourself, and it is very easy to disassemble. I have disassembled the full fan, but since as you saw my first part, you don't have to disassemble anything. Just remove this bottom cover, just change the ring and just fix the bottom cover. That's it. So now let me show you the easiest part of this video. That is how to replace the blade deco. So remove this screw and your deco of this blade is removed. So you can notice here some dust is here. So obviously after removing the deco there will be some dust, and this is the new deco. So take the new deco, unscrew the screw that is given, and this is wrapped in plastic. Don't remove the plastic until and unless your fan gets first dirt. This thing gets first time dirt. After that remove the plastic, otherwise it will act as a what I will say means a scratch protector, nothing else, like your display of first time screen protection that is applied to your mobile, that similar type of thing it is. So no issues regarding that. So just take it like this and check the pin. This is the pin, the small thing is the pin. This pin should match the small hole here. So just match the hole, and in the back side as you can see the screw hole is visible. So just take the screw, just tighten the screw like this, and your blade deco is absolutely new. As you can see, my Aura is ready for action. And regarding the this restoration of the ring, means not the restoration, the replacement of the ring, what do you guys think about it? Just 100 rupees for 2 years. Means this kind of Aura or Avancers are now like mobile recharges or smartphone recharges. Or recharge once a year for rupees 100, and it will give you 2 years for decoration only. After 2 years you have to again invest for the ring, only 100 rupees. This Aura ring cost around 100 rupees and Avancer ring cost around 200 rupees because the ring is big in size. So
guys, as you can see now the Aura is installed, and it's a pretty decent shape. I can see that now. The thing is that let's start the fan without wasting any more time. The fan is looking really original, and as you can see the decoding looks pretty good. So as I am recording this from an old camera, so that's why it's looking some grainy things in the video. So without wasting any more time, let's start the Aura. So as you can see, this is the Aura. So let's start it. So now the fan has been started. So as you can see, so the fan takes pretty good speed. The acceleration is quite good. The fan is not as loud as Havells or whatsoever. So the speed is 380 RPM. As you can see, the speed is 380 to 385 RPM. Let me show the airflow. The airflow of this fan is pretty decent, as you can feel from the microphone. So pretty good airflow. I like this fan. So as you can see, the fan is looking pretty original and there is no issues. The airflow is also awesome. So I hope you like the small servicing of this fan. So if you like this, press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel for updates. So whatever, my guys, thanks for watching.